Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about Remainder Theorem. Now, what is Remainder Theorem? Remainder Theorem states that if a polynomial p of x is divided by a binomial x minus c, then the remainder is equal to p of c. Now, let's have an example finding the remainder when the polynomial 3x raised to 3 plus 14x squared plus 13x minus 36 is divided by the given binomial x plus 2. So, let's have this example. Our first step in finding our remainder using our remainder theorem is for us to equate our binomial x plus 2 to 0. Then, let's solve for the value of x. Let's transfer positive 2 to the other side of the equation, giving us x is equal to negative 2. And after getting the value of x, we will replace all variable x in our polynomial by negative 2. So, we will have p of negative 2 is equal to 3 times negative 2 raised to 3 plus 14 times negative 2 raised to 2 plus 13 times negative 2 minus 36. Then, let's simplify using the order of operations, starting with our exponent. Now, here we have 3 times negative 2 raised to 3. So, negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, that will give us negative 8. Plus 14 times, so negative 2 raised to 2, so negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Plus 13 times negative 2 minus 36. Okay, next let's multiply 3 and negative 8, 14 and 4, 13 and negative 2. So we will have 3 times negative 8, that is negative 24, plus 14 times 4, 14 times 4 is 56. Okay, then 13 times negative 2, that is negative 26, and minus 36. Okay. Then, let's proceed to our combining like terms from left to right. So, negative 24 plus 56 minus 26 minus 36. And when we simplify this, this will be equal to negative 30. So, our p of negative 2 is equal to negative 30. Therefore, our remainder for this polynomial divided by this binomial is equal to negative 30. So, this is our remainder. And our final answer. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.